Welcome to Reading with Neha. Let's have some fun.
Hi guys, today we're going to be reading PJ Riders to the Rescue. Greg, Amaya, and Connor cannot believe that every PJMask vehicle has been stolen by Speed Observe twins, Carly and Cartoka. How can they save the world without their vehicles? At least we have a trusty old bikes, said Greg. Walked toward Greg's driving and are shocked by what they find. The bikes are still there, but the wheels are missing. Stolen by those sneaky machine thieves again, says Connor. But what are the PJMasks going to do without any vehicles? What about our PJ Riders? Asked Amaya. Maybe their new animal friends can help them get their vehicles back from Carly and Cartoka. PJMasks were on the way into the night to save the day. Amaya becomes Aloud. Greg becomes Gecko. Connor becomes Catboy. They are the PJMasks. The PJMasks arrive at HQ, and the PJ crystal shines brightly. They are ready to call on the PJ Riders. By the power of speed, Catboy says. By the power of flight, adds Aloud. And the power of the lizard's might, Gecko shouts. And they're all at headquarters, and they want to get their PJ Riders, which Aloud gets the owl, Catboy gets a cat, and gets a lizard, and they all can ride on it. And their names are for Catboy's ride, it is Cat Stripe King, and for Owlet it is Eagle Queen, and for Gecko it is Power Lizard. And they all come in from the glowing emeralds on the PJMask hero costumes. The PJMask put on their helmets. They're ready to ride. We need our vehicles back, says Catboy. Cat Stripe King stretches and bounces around instead. Swoop and pick me up, says Owlet. But Eagle Owl flaps her wings and flies back without Owlet. Let's go, Gecko says to the Power Lizard. Power Lizard stomps his feet and makes the ground shake. Now they're being real naughty, aren't they? Suddenly, the three animals rush out of HQ. The PJMask cannot control the riders. What do you think will happen next? Maybe we need to train them, Catboy says. Sit, Owlet says. Eagle Owl flies into the sky. Cat Stripe King sprints into the woods, and Power Lizard knocks down trees. They will not listen to the PJMask. Catboy drops with disappointment. No vehicles, no riders, no hope, he says. Off in the distance, Carly and Cartoka spy on the PJMask. They watch as the PJ robot whistles and beeps for the PJ Riders to go back inside HQ. Did I see that? Asked Carly. Of course, that robo could be a battery for a Flashcar. Ultimate power, ultimate speed, said Cartoka. Now they want, so I think they captured all the vehicles, and the PJ robot over here could be a help to stop the world and take over it. At HQ, the PJMasks brainstorm on how they can work together with the PJMasks. the PJ Riders. Maybe we should try listening to them, Aloud says. Then Keiko spots something on the monitor. Look, Carly and Cartoka are on the loose, and it seems like they combined every vehicle and mixed them together. Maybe they want super speed on them. PJMask watches the screen as the twins steal tires from a car and bring him to the Flashcar. Other PJ vehicle parts. The whole Flashcar is made out of them, says Catboy. Oh no, what would they do? PJ Riders, we need you, Catboy shouts. Catboy lassos onto Catstripe. Owlet clings to Eagle, Owl, and Gecko. Holds on to Pilot's horns. The PJMask can barely hang on as the PJ Riders run toward the city. Our vehicles are so much easier to control, says Gecko. The PJ Riders fly and run at full speed, but when they suddenly fled to stop, the PJMask fly off and tumble to the ground. Fluttering feathers, says Owl as she crashes into Catboy. And the riders are, so this is Eagle, Owl. She has like red feathers. This one, it looks like a tiger with stripes, and it also looks like a cat combined. And Gecko is like a lizard and also like an iguana. Owlet, Catboy, and Kego watch as the PJ Riders hoot, snarl, and roar. What's wrong? Asked Owlet. The PJ Riders pace around and turn to run away in the opposite direction. We have to go that way to catch Carly and Cartoka, Gecko tells them. But the PJ Riders will not listen. Hey, if you can't listen, then go back to the pajamas, Catboy says. The PJ Riders zip back into the bright glow of the pajama. The PJMasks wonder how they can catch Carly and Cartoka without the PJ Riders. I guess we'll have to walk, says Gecko. The three heroes slowly make their way on foot. Then they finally catch up. Carly is ready to zoom away from the Flashcar. We're here to take our PJ parts, says Catboy. You can't catch me without your animals, says Carly. She slams onto the accelerator and the Flashcar speeds away. Look, Owlet says. She sees the Flashcar's tire track. Carly is headed for HQ. The PJMasks have no choice but to head to HQ on foot. And they both combine the parts of all their vehicles, and with Catboy's super vehicle, they can just zoom through, and the PJMasks have to walk on foot, so they can't really get there in time. Cartoka throws a pebble at HQ's window and waits. PJ Robot comes to inspect the noise. Maximum magnet power, Cartoka shouts. He uses the Genetrotic Garage Magnet and captures PJ Robot. Oh no, what will they do? Carly flies up to the giant garage with the Flashcar. We got ourselves a new battery, Cartoka yells her. Do you think that PJ Robot is a battery? Catboy, Owl, and Gecko finally reach HQ and see the PJ Robot attached to the Flashcar. Now they're really sad. You can take our PJ vehicle parts, but you can't take our friend, Owlet says. You can't catch us, says Carly. She speeds away. Oh no, what will happen? They're hopeless right now, and PJ Robot's trapped right over here. And he's gonna run out of battery soon. And and they both just disappear into the Zoomzana with a bright flash. Wriggling reptiles, that's why the PJ Riders tried to run away earlier. They sensed PJ Robo was in trouble, says Gecko. We should have listened to them, Catboy says. Maybe they'll give us a second chance. Catstripe King, Catboy shouts. Eagle Owl, says Owlette. Power Lizard, Gecko calls. The PJ Riders burst from the PJMask pajama umbrellas. Now, and they say that we're sorry we didn't listen to you, Gecko says. You're not just a ride, you're our friends too, says Owlette. The PJ Riders listen calmly. The lesson is to always listen calmly to your friends. Do you guys do that? Because that's a really good habit. They nod their heads and let the PJMask pet them softly. Will you help us rescue PJ Robo? Owlette asks. Catstripe King, Eagle Owl, and Power Lizard all crouch down. Then PJMask emeralds shine brightly. Their suits light up and transform into body armor. Cool! New riding armor, says Owlette. That's really cool, right, guys? PJMask and PJ Riders to Zoomzana. Gecko says, now they're really into action. Now, how do you get to Zoomzana, Owlette looks? You just go really fast, says Catboy. Catstripe springs. Eagle Owl whoops, and Power Lizard speeds faster than they ever had before. The PJMask and PJ Riders enter Zoomzana portal with a flash of light. Wow, the colors are really good color, right, guys? In Zoomzana, the PJMask curl up and turn the Flashcar with the PJ Rebel. Look, speed twins, says Gecko. Power Lizard lunges after the Flashcar, but he isn't fast enough. Catboy and Catstripe chase after Carly, but the Flashcar speeds up even faster. Owlette and Eagle Owl swoop down to try to pick up PJ Robo, but Carly swirls the Flashcar away. PJ Robo power makes the Flashcar too fast for the PJ Riders to catch. What do you guys think next? They're kind of hopeless right now. The PJMask stop for a break. Catstripe King growls. Eagle Owl hoots and Power Lizard roars. They are trying to tell us something, Owlette says. Maybe they have an idea. PJMask Riders, you take the lead. Gecko says, it's time to be heroes, says Catboy. Now they really listened, and now they're going to do great things, and hopefully they'll save PJ Robo. Catstripe King chases after the Flashcar and runs alongside it. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Curly says that she turns the Flashcar around and speeds off in the opposite direction. Power Lizard runs to the end of the tower and blocks the exit. Curly slams the brakes and turns the Flashcar around again. Then Eagle Owl swoops up. Super Owling Wind, Owlette shouts. Eagle Owl flaps her wings and sends a powerful gust of wind at the Flashcar. The Flashcar flies up and into the muddy block. We're stuck, says Carly. Owlette and Eagle Owl swoop down to pick up PJ Robo from the Flashcar. Hey, get back our battery, says Cartoka. Not a chance. We'll take back our PJ vehicles parts too, says Catboy. Catstripe King leaps forward, but Carly slams the accelerator and finally frees the Flashcar from the muddy block. Carly and Cartoka escape and speed away. The PJMask and PJ Riders watch as the twins zoom away in the Flashcar again. We chase down our regular parts another night, says Gecko. For now, we have the PJ Riders and PJ Robo, our friends and allies. Aloud said. Cat Rat King roars. Eagle Owl roars. Power Lizard growls and cheer. PJMask and PJ Rider all shout hooray, 'cause in the night they saved the day, and they're all here happy. Well, they just zoomed off. That's really not so good, but they got all of their friends back. The end.
Happy reading! See you until next time. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.